am so excited. We've got a jewelry haul, everybody. So let's check out all the great stuff I got on AliExpress. Stay tuned. Hey guys, there's still time to enter our giveaway for the beautiful copy in full color coloring book. So make sure that you go down into the description or click on the tag up above to be able to check that out. Hello Localtarians, it's Amanda. Hopefully you guys, this video will look a lot better because I got a phone that is a little nicer, and hopefully you guys will be able to tell the difference in audio because that's where I've been having the most trouble. So at any rate, welcome back. We appreciate you being here, and today we're going to do something a little different, something fun. I have an Aliexpress haul. Now, I love jewelry. I have an addiction to beads and things like that, so lots of good stuff like that. I love it, I love it, I love it. So I am going to go ahead and open this up and share it with you guys. And of course, I will try to include some pricing as I go through this. I'll try to add it in for you. I may not know it off the top of my head. There may be an invoice in here, but I doubt it. Now, as you can see, I have not opened this yet. I have been waiting to open this for almost a week. Okay, let me just kind of pour it all out, I think. Holy cow. All right, we got quite a bit. It's a heavy little package. Very, very heavy. All right, so let's just grab something and start reviewing here. First thing, and they're all tiny little packages. This one's poking me, so first things first, we need to close this. It's a pen. Oh, I guess there's a bunch of pens. And apparently, oh, I see, they just tuck under. All right, so you've got these little bezels, and they are pinned back, and I love that because I feel like you could add some really cute stuff to this. Very, very neat. Very, very cool. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited. I thought they were going to be bigger than this, I think. But yeah, that's what I get for not paying attention to the measurements of things. And yeah, ooh, man, they are all open in here. I am going to just go through here and close those real quick and let you know how many I got. Ow. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with AliExpress, usually you end up having to wait quite a bit of time for your stuff. I got this pretty quickly. I would say it was within about two and a half weeks maybe. Usually you wait about a month to get anything from them, so kind of impressive. And they're all the same. They're all identical. I'm just gonna print this. All right, so I got 6 pieces of this, and I'll show you the price over here. Wow. Very neat though. I'm kind of stoked about this because, you know, even if it doesn't fit in the bezel, I could put something on top of that, and that could be very cool. Little base for it. It's nice to have some options. So that was one thing I ordered and got a pretty good deal on. Let's go with this one. This is another great jewelry thing. All of these are jewelry findings basically, guys. I know you guys haven't seen a lot of jewelry from me, a couple pieces here and there. All right, so this is kind of cool. I don't know how many of these I got, but we're about to find out. And I will show you what I got of these great little bales. Let me hold it up. It's a bale with a loop. Ooh, I'm gonna lose them, I know it. You just see me dumping it out. It's a great little bale, and I've got several colors. So we've got the copper you just saw. We've got kind of an antiqued copper. We got silver, which is nice. We got gold. And there's like some antique gold. And to me, this looks sort of like a kind of an antique silver. Very, very cool though. So that's what we got. And we've got, let's see here. Looks like 10. Looks like there's about 20 pieces in here, but I'll double check it. I don't want to do that on your time. All right, let's put them back in the bag. These are gonna get lost if we don't. Now the biggest issue is I need to get some containers to keep all my jewelry stuff in. I actually have a ridiculous amount of beads and findings that I haven't used in a long time, and I kind of miss it. So I'd like to do some stuff for you guys maybe in the future. Do a little art time, right? You guys miss the art times? I don't know if you guys like the art times, but I like to do crafts, and I feel like we're gonna do a few more. You know, can't get out and about as much as I'd like right now because of everything going on, and I feel like it's my responsibility to stay in. I live with a high-risk person. I'm probably on the line of being high risk myself. So we're doing a lot of indoor activities, you know what I'm saying? But that's okay. So let me just see here. Doop, 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 doop. Okay. Got them in there. All right. Next thing we got, looks like we got some chain here. Let's see how big a piece we got. So it's very nice. Now, this is all cheap stuff. It's not, any of it's not gonna be silver or anything like that. Wow, it's a pretty good sized piece, honestly. I'm gonna double it over so you guys can see. Well, I might have to triple it over to show you. But yeah, it's a good sized piece because this is the, you know, I've got it looped or whatever. So it's one big continuous piece, and just so you can see, it's sort of that, I guess you call it a Cuba link, maybe? Not too bad. Very cool. Could definitely make some stuff with that. I can't wait to show you guys what I paid for this stuff. Anybody who does jewelry, you're gonna be like, oh. Now, a lot of it's coming from abroad, so, you know, you do have to take that with a grain of salt and recognize that you're not always getting good quality stuff. So do your research. All right, since we're on the chain train, I also got this. I'm not gonna take this one out because it's just gonna be a big old mess, but you can see I got quite a large amount of silver, just kind of fine ring chain, which is kind of neat if you're gonna make like a chain with like beads in it. Very, very cool. All right, so something else that I got is some, and I think it's supposed to be leather cord, but let me just look, because it don't look like it to me. I'm guessing this is plastic all day. It's fake leather, but we got a big roll of it, and that could be okay for some bracelets or maybe a guy's, well, you know what? When you look at the cut part, it does look more like it's leather. Maybe they just shined it. But my guess is it's probably not real leather. You know your product. Got it from Aliexpress, and some of their stuff is questionable as far as what you're getting as compared to what they tell you you're getting. All right, this is something cool too, and these are a little smaller than I thought, but I actually think they will work. Just take a look here. Oh, more bezels. And we got a variety of colors. We've got a black one, and see, you can put a little something in there. See the little thing. And we've got an antique gold, antique copper. These are very cool, right? Got a nice bright silver and a bright gold in here as well. Yeah, and copper. This one's a little more muted, but it is more copper. You guys are probably not going to be able to tell in there. It's going to look gold. But in the light, it looks sort of like a pink gold almost. Kind of like that. Very cool. And let's see here. We got 2, 4, 6, 8. We got 10 pieces here of these particular findings. Very cool. I'm pretty excited about those. I think those will make some really nice necklaces, or I mean, if you're feeling it, you could make some funky earrings, I suppose. To me, I think those would be a lot. I mean, they're pretty light, to be honest. You could use these as an earring finding. Maybe that's something somebody hasn't really done. Might be something to try. All right, so we got that. All right. This, for those of you who actually know me, you're gonna know that this is my thing. All right, many of you probably know that I go to Austin's Coffee, and their logo is a rocket. So I have a little pack here of rockets. I could definitely see some necklaces, some earrings, maybe some pins. We could do some cool stuff. just see here what we got. These are so cute. Zoom. Got the little rocket going. Very, very cute. Very, very cute. And we've got that in silver. We've got it in an antique gold as well. And we got quite a few pieces here. Looks like about 15 or 20 pieces that I have here. When I go back over my invoice, it'll tell me exactly, and I'll share that with you guys here on screen. Very cool. All right. Okay, so we got that. Now, last but not least, we got 3 items that are all heavily related to each other. Got some tools, you guys. Now, I know I spent a little bit more for this one because it's got a really padded grip. But I feel like when you're cutting like wire and things like that, you might need a little more padding, or it's just a little more aerodynamic is the word I'm looking for, I think. It's not that padded actually, it's still very hard, so I don't know what the point was other than maybe it's more easy to grip it, but it's a nice wire cutting tool. You want tools on there, honestly, some of their deals were really pretty good. You just have to pay attention because when you go into their site, if you're not familiar with it, you will get duped. So be very careful and make sure that you read all the information and that you pick the one that you really want. Otherwise, because they make it look like you're going to get a whole set for like $3, and it's not going to happen. All right, now this is a really, really good tool that I will definitely be using. This is a little bit just more basic. It's just got the basic handles, but very, very commonly used tool, the round nose plier. Great for jewelry making if you guys aren't familiar. This is a really good one to have in your arsenal. I have one, but mine's getting old and I thought it'd be nice to have a new one. I don't think I have this little groove in here on mine. Yeah, I guess I do because I know I have the wire cutter part too. So that is the round nose pliers, and they are going to be awesome. I'm pretty excited about that. That's great for making like eye pins or making, connecting jewelry pieces. Really, really necessary part of that endeavor. All right, and the last one I have is just kind of a long nose plier, like a needle nose plier. Same basic handles, which is fine. I paid less for these because they had the basic handles, and I'm okay with that. This is, I think they call this a chain nose plier, actually. It's not a needle nose, it'd be longer, but it's similar in nature to a needle nose. The fact that it stays is not a good sign. It's supposed to have some spring. Well, that's going to be an issue, maybe. There you go, Aliexpress, not always the top-notch thing. All right, so that is my jewelry haul, guys. If you want to see more stuff like this, let me know down in the comments. I just like to show you guys when I get something new going and let you know what I think. And I'll share all the pricing for everything I got on my little haul. We'll probably have some more stuff coming too that I ordered later. And it hasn't arrived yet, but that's okay. That's the joy of it. It's sort of like Wish, okay, guys? If you're familiar with Wish, they're pretty similar. I find that some of the things on Ali are a little bit better quality, maybe, but not. I feel like they're a little more true to their description. I'll put it that way. With Wish, they are not true to their description. 90% of the time, it's completely off. All right, guys, well, that's going to wrap up our video. Thank you so much for watching Local Love, and let me know what you'd like to see me make with some of this. If you got some ideas, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear, and see if we can make something really cool. I've got all kinds of stuff that needs to be done still, so we'll get to it when we get to it, but definitely drop me some comments. Let me know what you'd like to see me make, especially with those pins. I'm really excited about those. Those are very cool. I've never used those before, so they're very nice. All right, guys, other than that, peace. We'll catch you next time. Make sure you guys check out some of our other wonderful videos. And please drop a comment. Let us know what you think, what you want to see. Maybe you want to see something different on this channel. If you want to get in touch with us, this is how you can find us. Follow us on all of our platforms. And peace. We will catch you the next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.